Ever since I started cooking sous vide, I can have a 5-star quality meal anytime I want. My name is Corey Mulhair, and I'm the creator of DUALLO. What I love about sous vide is that I can feed my friends something that tastes better than any other home-cooked meal. But soon I got tired of water evaporating, bags floating to the top, and wasting energy. DUALLO makes sous vide cooking work better. We wanted to design a container that was really nice looking, that can work with nearly all of the most popular sous vide devices, with no water evaporation loss and high energy efficiency. Most people don't know how to use sous vide properly, and when I got into it, I didn't have any idea how many hassles there would be. When you use a metal stock pot, all that heat is just bleeding right out the edges of those containers. You're trying to wrap it in towels or put tin foil over top, just to try to keep the heat in. If you're someone adding ping pong balls to your water bath to reduce evaporation, or a towel wrapped around the container, or some huge cooler that you can't see through that you've drilled a hole in the top of, sitting on your countertop. And what are ping pong balls really made of? Do we want that in our food? If you want to cook a lot of sous vide like I do, you don't want to see your electric bill skyrocket. DUALLO is thermodynamically efficient with double wall air gap insulation. DUALLO pays for itself over time, so the cooker doesn't have to work as hard or use nearly as much energy. In preliminary tests, we saw that we were already saving over 50% in energy costs. And I don't want to have to constantly refill or risk breaking my circulator because the water evaporated away. The lid is especially designed to prevent evaporation loss. There's never been a good solution to keeping food submerged while cooking sous vide. I want a lid that holds the food underwater so I don't have to come back to half-cooked food in the bath. The lid and fins create an additional air gap insulation layer above the water bath, so you can be sure that every part of your food is getting cooked at the right temperature. It was really important for us to develop a great looking container and finding a way to seal it to keep evaporative loss from occurring. The cool thing about having a clear container is that you can keep an eye on your food, and the best part about DUALLO is that it accepts all the popular immersion cookers. By putting the cooker in the corner, this helps the rest of the bath have a uniform temperature throughout the cooking environment. It's been over a year that we've been innovating and designing something that goes way beyond the traditional stock pot used for sous vide. We've lined up our manufacturing and fulfillment centers, and our design is ready to go into the final steps. I know you want healthy and tasty food made perfect every time. If you back DUALLO, you're going to own a great looking and highly functional container for cooking sous vide. Get your DUALLO now so we can place an order for the first manufacturing run. I want you to experience the perfect meal, sous vide style. DUALLO makes that possible every single time.